Platforms like IHA have transformed hairdressing into an art form, and hairdressers are now truly looked upon as fashion creators. L'Oreal Professionnel ID artists, who represent the next generation of hairdressers, take the stage to bring to life the future with their presentation. #futuristic, #hair.
The whole idea behind ID is the young generation stylist who wants to show their talent, specifically on a stage like IHA. It's a great feeling to be here.
The styling of the hair is very important. It takes a very long time to make it a certain way.
This is the biggest thing L'Oreal has done. They've educated us. They've provided us with the best education, with which we all say that we're not just hairdressers, but we are artists. Thanks to L'Oreal.
So our theme is basically more digital, a mixture of art and the pop.
So much color, so much vibrancy, makeups like out of the box. So everything is not in a box. It's all over the place. Yeah.
Our entire theme is digital, and we are working on very strong shapes, strong lines, very beautiful colors, and a lot of texture.
I'm doing pre-transformation. This is not my hair. They're doing some updo, braid, and then updo and a fringe. Quite interesting and very different.
No one as big as L'Oreal Professional in the country. They not only make fantastic products, but they also focus a lot on education, which is important.
The theme for my look today is all about fur, and with hair we are going into the zone of braids. So you can see a lot of braids happening on the hair.
Being part of the ID team is very, very exciting because L'Oreal brand gives us a very big platform to showcase our talent.